In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get flight price alerts in Skyscanner so you never miss a deal. First, open Skyscanner and enter your departure city, destination, and travel dates. If your dates are flexible, you can view prices over a month or year to find the cheapest options. Add your preferences like number of travelers or cabin class, then hit search. Browse through the flight options and pick the one that suits you. Next, click the Get Price Alerts button near the top of the page. You will need to sign in or create a free Skyscanner account to activate alerts. Once set, Skyscanner will track the flight's price and notify you via email whenever it changes, saving you time and helping you book at the best rate. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you'll stay updated on flight prices without constantly checking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our other Skyscanner tips. Safe travels!